Hey guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Promeai for architecture. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So using AI for architecture is actually pretty easy here, which in this case you could use Promeai here to create your own. So in this case, what we need to do first is we need to access their official website, which is going to be promeai.pro. Now, in this case, you might be running what is their pricing. So whenever you click on the pricing page here, you'll have the prices. So you have the base, standard, and pro here. But the most important section is going to be the free plan that we can use. But it is limited to 10 coins per month here. And key features includes relax generation, history available, and the earn and spend coins available option as well. Let's go and click on log in and sign up at the top right. And you want to continue logging in. So in this case, I'll be using my account here. From here, let's go and click on confirm. So I use my Google account, and this will actually log me in. So as you can see, I'm now in my account. Let's go and go to our main homepage by going to or clicking on the Promeai at the top left. Now, from here, for us to get started, what we need to do is we need to actually start our rendering. So in this case, we have the sketch rendering here. So upload sketch design, drafts, photos, or screenshots from modeling software and generate realistic photo-like renders. Which in this case, for example, if you have a drawing of a building that you want to basically render to something realistic, well, you could use this tool here. I also have the other AI tools here, which includes AI image generator, HD upscaler, erase and replace, out painting, image and video. So obviously there's going to be a lot of things or tools that you can use here to basically use for your rendering. Which in this case is going to choose sketch rendering here. Let's go and start. And from here we could go ahead and start. So in this case you could go ahead and upload your image or sketch here. Which in this case go and click on upload an image option here. So let's go and click on the upload an image option here. Let's go ahead and choose our sketch. This is an example. Let's go and click on open. And this would actually upload our image. So as you can see, this one. So you can erase a few things if you want to. And yeah, so if you want to draw more, brush a few things here, go ahead and do that. You can add your prompts here. Like for example, make it in our European style. But the more expressive you are in your prompt here, the more you have better results here. So obviously you could use the enhance prompt option here to enhance your prompts, get better results here if you want to. As you can see, it's going to actually enhance our prompt here. Now I also have the reference image here if you want to basically base your output from a image itself. You could choose the style if you want to. Realistic, you have natural, we have cinematic, commercial. So we want to use maybe like fantasy here. This is just an example. You could choose whatever. You have your scene here, so you could choose architecture. So maybe I want to say this is going to be a residence building. And from here we have our mode. So you can use structure, precise, outline, depth, or precision concept. So for now, let's go and choose structure. Now in this case, you could also add artistry here, which in this case gives it or your prompt or your AI, you give more freedom for the AI to actually add artistic aspects on it. You could also change the perspective itself if you want to, lighting if you want to. So you also have the detailed and fast mode option as well. So if you want to generate your text or your image here really fast, you can go and do that. So in this case, you can go and click on generate at the very bottom to start generating your video, your photo. And from here, this might take a while. So as you can see, it's still loading. So let's just wait for it. So as you can see right now, this is our generated image. So you could go ahead and click on it and basically change a few things if you want to. Even see this one or this one. So in this case, you could even publish or edit it if you want to. So if you want to add more, you could go and click on generate or change a few things. So for example, maybe we want to actually change a few things, like for example the scene here. Let's go ahead and choose the villa instead, and we want to actually change the perspective here to maybe, I want to say this is going to be a long shot. From here we could go ahead and start generating again by clicking on generate. This will actually generate additional images for us. You can even update your prompt here if you want to change a few things. But yeah, so in this case, let's just wait for it. So as you can see, we now have different photos to base it from. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Line App. Thank you for watching.